Hey guys, Tanya here, and today we're going to talk about this phrasal verb, to go through with something. To go through with something. First, I'm going to give you 3 example sentences, and your job is to listen carefully and try to guess the meaning. Here we go. I know I said I would file for divorce, but I just couldn't go through with it. We've been together for 20 years. She still went through with her decision to start her own business, even though it meant sacrificing her successful medical career. Are you sure you want to go through with this? If the investment doesn't pay out, you will lose everything. So, to go through with something means to do something that you've planned or agreed to do in spite of difficulties, hesitations, or concerns about the outcome.
If you have any doubts about your husband, you can't go through with this adoption.
But now that I know we're related by blood, I just can't go through with it.
That's a quick lesson for today, guys. And I have a question for you. Have you ever decided to do something but you couldn't go through with it? Please write your answers in the comments below. Make sure to like and share this video with your friends if you found it useful. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.